Hello, this is Michael Oxford.
And Landon Randall.
We're very excited to be making this announcement, inviting you to our next State of the Economy 2021. This will be our fourth year presenting this program, and we couldn't be happier or prouder about this opportunity. We've got some of the best money managers, in my opinion, that we've ever been able to associate with, and they're going to, one more time, give us their opinion of what the next 12 months looks like from their perspective.
You know, Mike, I'm really excited about it. This is my favorite event. We always do client events, except really this last year we had to cut back with the COVID, right? And haven't got to see you guys face to face a lot. But my favorite event, it's not too often that clients get to hear from multi-billion-dollar money management firms directly and get to ask questions. So with that being said, we're going to have our first guest speaker be Timothy Sargent. If you were around the last couple of years, Tim showed up. He does a great job with it. He is a director and client strategist with Sterling Capital Management. He's going to give us his insights of his portfolios or Sterling's portfolios over the last 12 months, what they saw, and then their expectations and what they think is going to happen over the next 12 months. If you have a Fidelity account with us, you probably have a portion of your money managed by Sterling Capital Management. Our second guest speaker is going to be Joe Becker. He's a financial risk management and chief strategist with Milliman. Milliman is a multi-billion-dollar money manager. They manage a lot of money on the backside of the insurance industry. They're one of our favorite tactical money managers. They're the ones that make those big swings in or out of the market. You know, first quarter of last year, we saw the markets fall about 30%. With Milliman, your portfolios didn't take that huge ride on the down if you had any of your money in their portfolio. They did a phenomenal job getting to cash into short-term bonds and getting back in to see the returns that we saw last year. So I'm really excited to hear from Joe of what signals they saw to make them get out, and then their expectations and where they think things are headed for the next 12 months. Our last speaker is going to be Tom Siamatis. He's the Chief Investment Officer with AEWealth Management. A lot of you guys haven't heard from AEWealth Management. They're actually our back office. They are the registered investment advisory firm that Mike and I are with. They manage billions of dollars as well. And Tom, being their chief investment officer, manages a lot of their portfolios. It's going to be great to get his insights of what they saw last year and expectations for the coming year.
We're proud to be bringing this event, which gives us insight into the next year, but also looking back into the last year or so, where there have been a lot of crazy situations. We've had the election, we've had COVID, we've had the market crash with the fastest rebound in the history of our financial industry. We've got all kinds of information that I think will be insightful and give you some better understanding of what's coming. We get phone calls on a daily basis asking, what should I do? And I think a little insight from our money managers that manage just shy of $250 billion aggregated gives us some insight from people that understand this better than we all do. Some of the most fun for this event for us are the question and answer session. We've done this each year that we've presented the state of the economy, and we're doing it again this year. We will be sending out emails in the very near future, giving you information about where to send questions if you have questions.
Like Mike said, this last year, we went from impeachment last January to impeachment this January. To the one of the worst quarters in the history of the stock market. The S&P fell 30%. First quarter rebounded. We had COVID, largest trade deal done with China. We had riots. We had the government change hands, not easily, but it changed hands, right? And now we're into 2021, hoping that all of this is behind us.
You're welcome to invite family, friends, or associates that might be benefited from participating in this event.
You know, if you guys are concerned about the climate out there and the next 12 months on your retirement and your life savings, I guarantee you so are your friends and family and other people that we don't manage their assets. We encourage them to jump on the call with us so they can learn as well.
And we're looking forward to seeing you and any of your friends that might want to participate. Registration is required. March 4th, 5 o'clock. See you there.
Thank you guys. See you there.